Oh, I parked here this luxurious car beside this helicopter. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different types of toy vehicles serially parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So now I will hand drive one by one all of these toys with my hand. At first is a racing car. Let's go. Oh friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this racing car. This is a red, black, silver and pink color combination, this car. Next one is here a cartoony helicopter. I parked here this cartoony helicopter beside this racing car. This is very nice and beautiful model, this cartoony helicopter, and this color is pink and paste color combination. Now I will drive this luxurious car. Let's go. Oh, I parked here this luxurious car beside this helicopter. See this luxurious car. This is a realistic model plastic luxurious car. Here is red, black and silver color combination, this car. This one is a DS Tarjan car. I parked here this DS Tarjan car beside this luxurious car. You can see this car. This is a realistic model, a pink, black and silver color combination, this nice car. So friends, one by one already 4 vehicles hand driven and introduced with you, and you can see here all are serially arranged. This one is a power backhoe. Oh, I also parked here this power backhoe beside this DS Tarjan car. See this backhoe. This is a realistic model and yellow black color combination, this nice power backhoe. This is the last one is here a cartoony model drum truck, so I will try this one also. So friends, I also parked here this drum truck beside this power backhoe. This is pink, paste and purple color combination, this nice drum truck. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand driven and introduced with you. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination of vehicles.